Leaders from the G20 major economies are gathering in New Delhi led by India. India has gone to great lengths, employing drones, murals, and large langur cutouts to enhance security and logistics for the event. The world leaders would be arriving in the city today, that is on September 8th. Let's have a look at what time who would be arriving. US President Joe Biden will land tentatively at 6:55 pm, and reports said that he will be received by Minister of State VK Singh. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak will be received by MOS Ashwini Chaubey at 1:40 pm. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina will be received by MOS Darshana Jardosh at 12:30 pm. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida will arrive at 2:15 pm and will be received by MOS Chaubey as well. China's Premier Li Qiang will be received by MOS VK Singh at 7:45 pm, while UAE President H.H. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan will be received by Minister of State of Home Affairs Nityanand Rai as he arrives in the national capital at 8 pm. Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese will arrive at 6:15 pm and will be received by Union Minister of State Rajiv Chandrasekhar. The heads of state for Germany and France will arrive on September 9th. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz will be arriving at 8 am and will be received by MOS Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma. French President Emmanuel Macron will arrive at 12:30 pm on September 9th and will be received by MOS Anupriya Patel. The countries taking part in the G20 summit include Nigeria, Argentina, Italy, the AU and South Africa, Bangladesh, the UK, Japan, Saudi Arabia, the Republic of Korea, Egypt, Australia, the US, Canada, China, the UAE, Brazil, Indonesia, Turkey, Spain, Germany, France, Mauritius, the European Union, and Singapore. The President of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is the first head of delegation to arrive in India for the G20 summit and was welcomed by MOS of Health SP Singh Baghel. Argentina's President Alberto Angel Fernandez arrived in the morning and was welcomed by Minister of State Faggan Singh Kulaste. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni has also arrived and was received by Shobha Karandlaje. Kristalina Georgieva, Managing Director of the IMF, has also arrived for the G20 summit. A few other world leaders have also arrived in the country for the G20 summit in New Delhi.